Love is the most powerful emotion in the world. It links and ties us. It can take you to the sky, but it can also drop you to the ground in an instant. If you love the wrong person, you will never experience the joy of true love. It's a double-edged sword that can shatter your world if the person you care about doesn't value your love. It's become an addiction. You chase her harder to win their approval. Ultimately, this leaves you feeling empty and broken. The more you desire, the lower your dignity and self-esteem. You love her deeply, but she ignores you, belittles you, and makes you feel insignificant. But here's the truth. You don't have to be a prisoner of your hunger. It's time to change the storyline. In this video, I'll show you 7 brutal psychological methods for which people, especially women, will beg for you. The last one is the most important, so make sure to stick around until the end. Rule number 1, don't give your attention away freely. Let her earn your attention at some cost. Just like the great Stoic Roman emperor, Marcus Aurelius, once wisely stated, it is essential for you to remember that the attention you give to any action should be in due proportion to its worth. Don't just hand out your attention. It's valuable. When you give it away to anyone and everyone, she doesn't see it as something special. You need to make her work for it. Your time, your focus, and your energy should be earned, not just given away. This isn't about being mean, it's about respect. Respect yourself, and make others respect you too. If you're always there and always available, you become common. You want to be rare, something worth chasing. So, step back a bit. Don't jump every time she calls. Make her realize that getting your attention is a privilege. When you do this, you become more interesting and more valuable. Women start seeing you in a new light. Women understand that your time is not to be taken for granted. And that's how you start to change the game. Your attention should be a reward, not a giveaway. Rule number 2, stop investing too much effort in relationships. Rather, let her invest more to keep the relationship going. It's a two-way road. You've been putting in way too much effort. You've been the one working hard, and it's time for you to change that. You shouldn't be the only one trying, the only one making plans, or the only one keeping things alive. Let her step up. She needs to show she's just as invested as you are. This isn't about playing games. It's about having a fair, balanced relationship where both parties contribute. If you're always the one doing everything, she gets complacent. She will take you for granted. Pull back a little. Give her space to put in their share of the effort. It's healthy for the relationship, and it's good for you. You'll quickly see how invested she truly is. Remember, a relationship is a partnership, not a solo project. It's about ensuring that the effort is mutual. Rule number 3, make it apparent that you don't need her and can be happy without her. Make it clear that you don't need her. When you show that you're happy by yourself, it's a very strong move. Not because you need her badly, and not because you're waiting for her to make your day. You're making yourself happy. That looks good and deserves praise. Confidence, not coldness, characterizes you. You are showing her that she is not the center of your world. It's not about being mean. It's about being strong. It's about proving that you can do everything by yourself. She will change how she sees you. Once she knows you're not relying on her to make you happy, she knows that you're not just another person who needs her. Being with her is a choice for you, not something you have to do. Remember that being free is important. Watch her pay more attention as you show her you're okay by yourself. You become a choice she wants to make, not just another choice in their life. Rule number 4, stop being too emotionally dependent on her. Stop depending on her to keep your emotions in check. It will make you mentally stronger than ever. You need to hold yourself up. You're giving up too much power when you depend on someone else to make you happy or cheer you up. When you're down, you need to take charge of how you feel. Take care of your emotions by yourself. Get stronger on the inside. You don't have to block her out. You just shouldn't depend on her for everything. You need to take care of things yourself first. This is good for you and changes how girls see you. It shows that you're strong and able to rely on yourself. That person is beautiful, and women like and want to be around them. You're more than just a partner when you're not personally attached to her. She looks up to you and thinks you're strong. You should be there. Don't break rule 4. It's about being mentally strong on your own. Not only will that make you feel better, but it will also make people want to approach you. Rule number 5. Be ready to cut ties if you're treated as unimportant. It's a tough rule, but it's vital. You need to set a clear standard for how you're treated. And if she can't meet that standard, if she makes you feel like you don't matter, it's time to walk away. It's not about being harsh. It's about valuing yourself. No more settling for being a second choice or a backup plan. You deserve better than that. You deserve to be a priority. And if she can't see that, she isn't worth your time. This rule isn't just about making a statement. It's about protecting your worth. When you show that you won't tolerate being treated poorly, you send a strong message. It tells her and everyone else that you know your value. Remember, the moment you're ready to leave, if you're not valued, you command respect. You show that you're not someone to be taken lightly. That's the kind of strength that earns you not just respect, but the right kind of attention. Rule number 6. Stop seeking their validation and approval. You don't need it. Your worth isn't based on what she thinks of you. Too many times you've looked to her for a nod of approval, for a sign that you're doing okay. It's time to end that. Your value, your decisions, your life. Girls are valid because you say they are, not because someone else does. You've got to stand firm about who you are. Be confident in your choices, your actions, and your beliefs. When you stop waiting for their thumbs up, you start empowering yourself. This change is more than just for you. It shifts how she sees you. When she notices you're not hanging on to their every word, not desperate for their approval, she starts respecting you more. She sees you as an equal, as someone who's sure of themselves. Remember, your validation comes from within, not from her. Rule 6 is about self-assurance, about knowing your worth without needing others to confirm it. Embrace this and watch how the dynamics change. You're not just stronger for it. You become someone she looks up to, not down. Rule number 7. Don't always show how much you love or care about her. Let her be desired to get your love and attention. Don't show all your love and care right away. It's like giving away your power. When you tell her everything about how much you care, she starts to take you for granted. You've got to hold back a bit. Make her wonder. Make her want to earn your love. If you give it all too quickly, you're just another person who's easy to forget. Keep it a secret how much you care. Let her chase that feeling. It's not about playing games. It's about showing your worth. Your love isn't something to just hand out. It's special. Make her work for it. When you do this, you're not just someone she knows. You become someone she wants to win over. Remember, when you don't show everything, she will get more curious. And the more curious she is, the more she'll see that you're worth it. Keep her guessing and watch how she starts to value you more. You're not just another option in their life. You become a choice she wants to make. If you found this video knowledgeable and helpful, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. Many more informative content is coming in the near future. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. And if you've made it until the end, then comment down a 100. That way I can know whether you're about this life or not. But that's still not enough, is it? There should be more to life than only this. Luckily for you, I have some good news today. What if it were possible to put your dick in any woman you can get your eyes on, without even the slightest chance of getting rejected? It is possible, because what I'm about to tell you is helping thousands of clueless, aging, and even unattractive guys hook up with women who are levels above their pay grade. To learn about that, you will have to watch a video that will teach you a simple, step-by-step system that even the nerdiest guys can use to have women open their legs. With this secret knowledge, the 9s and 10s that used to turn their backs to you before you even said hi end up in your bed. It shows you how to bypass a woman's rejection mechanism and force-feed feelings of attraction, lust, and desire directly into her subconscious mind. Needless to say, this gives you some seriously unfair power over women and pretty much allows you to sleep with whoever you want. But apparently, someone spilled the beans. The video got into the wrong hands, and now some feminist groups on social media have reported the video and got it taken down. They even threatened to take legal action against us. The reason these women are so hell-bent on getting this video banned is because they know they're powerless to stop the techniques it teaches. If you use this seduction method on them, they'd never even know it, and the next thing they know is that they're lying naked on your bed, begging for you to fuck them, and you can use these techniques as early as tonight. It really is that simple. So if you really want that much power in your hands, here's how to get it. All you have to do is click the first link in the description or the comments. Sign up to the newsletter, and we'll email you the entire video tutorial. I'll see you guys there.